I'm going to start off today by showing you how to properly share a Google document, and there are lots of different ways that you can share, comment, view, edit, and so I want to show you what some of those options are. I'm on a brand new document. I have not even given it a name, and right here is where I would typically give it a name. You're always going to have this blue rectangle in the top right corner, and if you click on that, some options are going to come up. It's always going to want you to name your document before you can share it. So I'm just going to name it My Document and hit Save. Now when you go here, you can enter someone's name. So I could enter my own name. And then you have options right here. You can let someone edit it, meaning they can change the document. You can let them comment, but not allowing them to make changes, just commenting, or you can make it so they can only view it. They cannot make comments, they cannot change anything on it. You can get a shareable link by clicking right here. So now I've got a link, a live web link for my document, and I'm going to share it with this one person. They can view it. I also have to pay attention here. Who else do I want to let look at this live link that I have now? I can turn it off and only invite people to see it, or I can go through the options listed, or I can even click on more. I typically make mine public on the web so anyone out there on the internet can find it. You probably don't want to do that for most of your assignments, but it is an option. After you do that, you decide who you want to allow access to. Again, do you want them to be able to type on it and make changes? Well, if I make this public on the web and I click on Can Edit, then that means that anyone on the web can open my document and make changes to it. Do I want to let people comment on it, or do I want to let people view it? Click Save. If there are more people, okay, so I'm at Ryle School and I want people at Ryle School to see this. Here's myself. It's okay. I'm just kind of sending a copy to myself, which is silly because it's already in my drive, but just showing you an example. I could add more people that maybe aren't in the Ryle School District. I could add my best friend, or my son, whatever. And then I can let them view it, edit it, comment it. So you can have, see, these people can view it, these people can comment on it. So you can give different options for the two groups. Once you decide what you want to do, and you've clicked on here, this will turn bright green, telling you it's now a live link at the top of your page. You can hit Send. Now I've shared this document with people at Ryle and myself. This becomes a live link on the internet. I can copy this link and paste it into a document, and you always have to hit Enter for it to become live. Now it is a live web link that I can click on. Nobody really likes to look at these long, ugly websites. So what I always like to do is click on Change. Here's the link. You want to leave that the same, but the text that people are going to see, you can type that here. I want people to see my document, and that's what they see. So I could say, click on my document. When they click on it, here's the link, and it's just going to take them to the same exact document I'm on. So again, what you'll also see over here is now this is shared with people at Ryle School District. They now have the link. They can access it. I can go back in here at any time and change this. I could say, okay, everybody, you have 20 minutes to edit this paper that I'm sending out to you, and then after 20 minutes I can go in and say, all right, now you can make comments to each other for the next 10 minutes. And then I could go back in again and say, now you can only look at it. Let's talk about it. So you can go in there multiple times and change it. You can change who you share it with. You can always add people down here. Again, they have different options as well.